This is my review and unboxing for the April 2024 Boxycharm box. I can't believe we're already in April. This box is $30 a month and you're going to get 5 full-size products. So it's called Boxycharm, but it's made by Ipsy. They merged last year, I believe. So here's our first look. I did receive this for review. So, and when you open the box, there's like a little newsletter. It says welcome home. It talks about their mega drop shop. You can scan here to learn more about your picks. It talks about some of the power picks that you might find in your box. That kind of thing. Alright, first up is Nip and Fab Renew Retinol Fix Eye Treatment. Has 2% retinol in it, 15 milliliters. From Borboleta, we have Breakdown, an oil-free makeup remover, 3.35 fluid ounces. That's what it looks like. Nice to have more makeup remover. From Too Faced, we have the Better Than Sex Foreplay 24-Hour Lash Primer. 90% more curl, 92% more volume, 92% intensifies mascara color, and 89% saw more length. So you just apply this before your mascara for better results. Alright, so that's what the brush looks like. You just apply that on your lashes and then apply your favorite mascara. From Violet Voss, we have the Pretty in Paradise palette, face and eyeshadow palette. That. So we have 2 blushes, Coconut Cream and Island Rose. This one's very shimmery. And then we have 6 eyeshadows. Very fun, nice for summer. Love it. We have maybe lip pencils. We have 2 lip liners from Michelle Beauty in Beloved and Worthy. Alright. So they're mechanical pencil. These are the 2 colors. Really nice. One slightly darker than the other, but really nice for just kind of a simple gloss over it. And that's everything in my April box. So we have the Violet Voss palette, the mascara primer, the 2 lip pencils, not sure if those are going to stay, the oil-free makeup remover, and the retinol eye cream. So, great box. I will put the retail value of everything down in my description box, so be sure to check that out. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.